Good morning, dear students. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to discuss about the movement of the earth. So, dear students, as we know that about the four domains, that is a lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and the exosphere. So, in last chapters, students, we learned about these four domains, in which we learned about the lithosphere, which is the solid crust, hard layer of the earth, which are made up of rocks and the minerals by a thin, and it is a thin layer of a soil which is covered by the thin layer of the soil. So dear students, in today's class we are going to learn about its plates in the third chapter of our environment, that is our changing earth. So dear students, so what is lithospheric plates? So here students, the number of plates which is broken from the lithosphere, here students, which the number of plates which is broken from the number of which is broken from the lithosphere. So now this lithospheric plate, that is called as the lithosphere here. And these plates move very slowly here. So why it is most slowly here? It is because of the movement of the molten magma inside the earth. So that's why it moves just a few millimeter in a year. So here students, the movement of these plates causes changes inside the earth and on the earth. So what is that here students? The movement, how we see that changes here. So here students, the movement of the earth is divided into two types, that is the endogenic and another is the exogenic. So here students, what is endogenic and what is exogenic here students? So endo means here under, and exogenic means outer. It means here endogenic means the forces which act in the interior of the earth. Are you understand? I think you are understood it here students. The movement of the forces which act in the interior of the earth is called as the endogenic forces. Okay students, the endogenic forces, the forces which act in the interior of the earth. Okay, so here then what is the exogenic here? So then what is exogenic? So exogenic means the forces which work on the surface of the earth. So which is work on the surface of the earth. Okay students, is called as the exogenic force. So endogenic force and exogenic force. There too is the types of the movement of the earth. So what here students, sometimes the endogenic forces produce the sudden movements. So what is that here students? That is sometimes it produce slow movements, and sometimes they are produce the sudden movement, and sometimes it produce the slow movement. For examples, volcanoes and earthquake. So how it produced? Here we see the endogenic means, write it meaning here student. What is endogenic? First write it and then we will go it deep. Here endogenic means the forces which act in the interior of the earth. The forces, the forces which act in the interior of the earth is called the endogenic forces. So students, we will see some sudden movements and some slow movements in the endogenic forces. So for example, for that one is we will see the sudden movements here. For example, for this sudden movements is earthquake and volcanoes. Okay students, so in next class we will see some more thing about this sudden movements students. So that's all for today's class students. Thank you.